Hey there, guys, welcome to Nika Gates. This is Mary. So, we Kim calls us for this weekend event gig that she can't attend the gigs, and we tells us to replace her. So, I agreed with her, and our first gig is at El Canario. So, let's go there. Reaching there, the Kardashian sisters tells us that we will take a lot of photos so that Kim feels like she's here, and I'm happy about it. Maria then calls us letting us know that we have a commercial that is going to pay us a lot and a Porsche that Kim has recommended us. And I go with the Kim's one because she's my best friend. I don't care about how big the price is. Maria then calls us and tells us that we have now a fashion show together with Kim at Misty's event. So let's go there. Misty's new collection. Like always, Kim thanks us for what we have done for her. So that's it, guys. That's in this episode. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know that it was very late of uploading this video, and I'm so sorry. I was super sick and super tired. I have tons of gigs to upload, and I am a bit type of disappointed for not having many subscribers are not increasing. Also, my views they're also not increasing. Anyway, dolls, hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. You can understand by my voice of how sick I am. So guys, bye.